Hey, let me show you how you can fix connection issue with your Marshall Major 5 and your smartphone. In this case I'm using iPhone, but it looks the same actually for the Android. So if you actually cannot connect these headphones to your iPhone or Android smartphone, I would highly recommend you to first of all turn off Bluetooth on your smartphone. Next, you will have to grab these headphones and use two buttons combination, the M button and the gold button. So we have to click and hold them together. And we have to take a look on this small indicator next to the USB-C port. When it goes purple and when we release, it will actually, we just actually perform the hard reset. So we just bring these headphones to the default state. And now in the most cases, in the like 99%, it actually fixes all of the problems. So now the headphones are actually in the pairing mode. So when I enable the Bluetooth on my phone, I can find them on the list so I can try to connect them. And now as you can see, this connection issue is finished. Now it works. So that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.